Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to the Kajabi service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in Kajabi you can add new contacts, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key in order to get it. We return to the Agile CRM personal account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API tab. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Kajabi as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this stage you need to connect your Kajabi account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the URL for receiving data. In order to get it, go to your personal account Kajabi. Then go to the Sales Offers section, select the required offer. Next, we move on to additional settings. Select the webhooks item. In order to add new contacts, copy the activation URL and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select the type of data to be sent. Choose Post. Now you need to write the names of the variables and their values. In the name field, enter the name of the variable. In the value field, select from the drop-down list the value from Agile CRM, which will be transmitted in this variable. In order for another set of parameters to appear, click Add. When all the necessary variables and their values are specified, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Kajabi on every new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Kajabi. After successful submission, go to Kajabi and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the Kajabi data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.